Welcome to the spoken tutorial on installation of LDmicro on Linux. In this tutorial, we will see how to install LDmicro, AVRDUDE, drivers for USBasp Programmer. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux 16.04 operating system, USBasp Programmer. What is LDmicro? LDmicro is an open source software. It is used to draw a ladder diagram or ladder logic to program PLCs. We can simulate this ladder diagram or ladder logic in real time on our computer. It can also generate native code for certain PIC16 and Atmel AVR microcontrollers. Now we will see how to install LDmicro. To download the installation files, open the web browser of your choice. Make sure you have an active internet connection. Go to the website openplc.fossee.in. In the top menu bar, click on the Resources link. Click on User Downloads link present under the Downloads tab. Here, we will find links to download LDmicro installation files for different versions of Ubuntu Linux. Click on the appropriate link depending upon your operating system's version. I will click on LDmicro for Ubuntu 16.04 deb link. A dialog box opens. Click on Save File and then click OK button. In the Downloads folder, the downloaded .deb file is available. Note that the extension for the downloaded file for Linux will be .deb. Now let us open the terminal by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T keys simultaneously. Go to the Downloads folder by typing cd space downloads and press enter. Type ls to see the LDmicro package name. Press enter. Here in my system it shows LDmicro -2.2.4-linux.deb. The name may vary in future. To do the installation, type the command sudo dpkg-i LDmicro -2.2.4-linux.deb and press enter. Type the admin password if prompted and press enter. Now LDmicro software is installed. To make sure, type LDmicro in the terminal and press enter. LDmicro interface opens. This ensures that LDmicro is installed successfully. Next, we will see how to install AVRDUDE. What is AVRDUDE? AVRDUDE stands for AVR Downloader Uploader. It is a tool for downloading or uploading the on-chip memories of AVR microcontrollers. To install AVRDUDE, switch back to terminal. Type sudo apt-get install AVRDUDE and press enter. It will ask for your permission to continue the installation. Type Y and press enter. Wait until the installation is completed. To check the installed version, type AVRDUDE and press enter. Here you can find the version number at the bottom of the terminal. Next, we will see about USBasp Programmer. This is a picture of a USBasp Programmer. Why USBasp drivers? A USBasp Programmer is used to program the controller on OpenPLC mainboard. AVRDUDE will not recognize the USBasp if drivers are not installed. Now we will see how to install USBasp drivers. In Linux operating system, the USBasp drivers are pre-installed. Switch back to the terminal. Type LSUSB and press enter. This will give you the information about USB buses in the system and the devices connected to them. The information you get on the terminal may not be same as mine. Now connect a USBasp programmer to one of the USB ports of your computer. Now again in the terminal type LSUSB and press enter. We can observe there is an extra line of information of the bus and the device connected to it. We can find the keyword libUSB in the new line, which indicates that USBasp programmer is connected. This indicates that the drivers are installed successfully. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we learned to install LDmicro, AVRDUDE, and drivers for USBasp Programmer. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The spoken tutorial team conducts workshops using spoken tutorials and gives certificates on passing online tests. For more details, please write to us. Do you have any question in this spoken tutorial? Please visit this site. Choose the minute and second where you have the question. Explain your question briefly. Someone from our team will answer them. Do you have any general or technical questions on OpenPLC? Please visit the FOSSE forum and post your question. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at this link. This tutorial has been contributed by FOSSE and Spoken Tutorial Project, IIT Bombay. And this is Harsha Priyanka from FOSSE team signing off. Thanks for watching.